Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today, USite will show you how to clean your Evolis Edikio printer correctly to ensure print quality and long-term use of the device. Firstly, let's introduce the long, T-shaped cleaning card. This cleaning card effectively removes dust, debris, contaminants, and ink residue from the transport rails, improving print quality. Let's see how to use it. Simply insert the cleaning card into the transport rails and run it repeatedly to clean the cleaning rollers. This helps maintain print quality and extends the life of the print head. In addition to the cleaning card, we have other tools to help clean the printer, such as the cleaning pen, squeeze sponge, sponge swabs, and cleaning wipes. The cleaning pen is used to clean the print head, while the squeeze sponge can also effectively clean the print head. For those areas that are difficult to clean, such as deep parts, we can use sponge swabs with short or long handles to ensure that every detail is cleaned in place. And cleaning wipes can be used to clean both internal and external surfaces as well as contaminated components. In summary, regular cleaning of your printer is crucial to its proper functioning and longevity. With these simple tools and techniques, you can easily maintain print quality and extend the life of your equipment. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Goodbye.